Hi children, good morning to everyone. This is SRK Maths Concepts. Today we will discuss some more problems and some concepts in trigonometry. Okay. This is problem number 2, page number 187. Here see, choose the correct answer, correct option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. To complete this problem, trigonometric table I am writing here. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinity. Now, 2 into tan 30, tan 30, 1 by root 3. 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. That means 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3, 3 ones 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. That is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 3 1 3 plus 1 what? 4. 2 cancel here, 2 write one time. What left for you? 1 into 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3 by root 3 into 2. Root 3 cancel. Root 3 by 2 we got it. Root 3 by 2. No option check. First option given sin 60. So root 3 by 2 value sin 60 correct only? Sin 60. This is equal to what? Sin 60. So option A is correct. Now in this only second question you observe means second question 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. That is equal to tan 45. Tan 45 what? 1. So 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 0. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. See option 0 where it is? At D. So D is the correct option. Now third question. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A is true when A is equal to. A options given 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees. We will take first option. If suppose if A is equal to 0 degrees, LHS value sin 2 into 0, sin 0, sin 0 value what? 0. RHS 2 times sin 0. 2 into sin 0 value 0, 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. What time it is correct? A is equal to 0 degrees. So answer what? First option A. Children observe these three questions. Okay, we will discuss one more question. Same in second Roman only. Fourth question we are discussing. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. 2 into tan 30. Tan 30. 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Numerator 2 by root 3, 1 minus 1 square, 1 root 3 square, 3, that is equal to 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1, 2 by 3, that is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2, 2 cancel 1 here, 3 means what? Root 3 into root 3 by root 3, root 3 cancel, root 3. So root 3 where it is? Cos 60 not sin 60 not tan 60 value root 3. This is equal to what? Tan 60. So what to understand? 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30 means it is equal to tan 60 degrees. Okay. With this table values dependent problems are completed. Now we will discuss one new concept for next exercise purpose. Next concept is trigonometric ratios of supplementary complementary angles. Next concept what? Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. See, complementary angles. What is meaning of complementary angles? If two angles are said to be complementary, sum of their angles is equal to 90 degrees. That means A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Then A comma B are called complementary. A plus B 90 degrees is there, then A and B are called complementary angles. Now, you see here, right angle triangle, B, A, C. Now, this angle how much? A degrees. This is 90. Then this one how much? Suppose this is 10 degrees. Then 90 plus 10, 100. This one how much? 80. So this and this add means how much you will get? 90 you will get. So this is 10, this is 80. This is 20, 70, 30, 60. So this one what I am taking? Theta I am taking. Or simply take A. This is A. Then this angle what? 90 minus A. This angle what? 90 minus A. Now, in the sense of A, from here you observe means this is perpendicular base hypotenuse. Now, sin A is equal to sin A. We know na, perpendicular sin means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular what? BC by AC. Cos A base by hypotenuse AB by AC. Tan A. Tan means what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular. Perpendicular what? BC by AB. Like that only. Cosecant A. Reciprocal of sine AC by BC. Secant A. AC by AB. Cot A. AB by BC. Okay children, these are from A you observe means. Now what I am saying, from C you observe. C observe means this is perpendicular, this is closed. Hypotenuse always this only. This become base. Now sine 90 minus A. See, sine means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular what? AB by hypotenuse AC. This base take here. Now cos 90 minus A. From here you see, not from here. Cos base by hypotenuse, base BC, hypotenuse AC. Tan 90 minus A. Tan perpendicular by base, perpendicular AB, base BC. Next, cosecant 90 minus A. Cosecant means what? Reciprocal of sine. So AC by AB. Secant 90 minus A. Cos reciprocal AC by BC. Cot 90 minus A. AB by BC. Reciprocal BC by AB. So children, observe that when we are talking about A, from here you see this is perpendicular, this is base. Hypotenuse is always opposite to right angle. From here you observe this angle what? This is A means this is 90 minus A. See, 90 minus A plus A. So this sum is equal to 90. That's why complementary angles I kept. So from here you observe means this is perpendicular, this is base. So in the sense sin A means this one, sin 90 minus A. Observe that AB one length, AC one length. So AB by AC, here where AB by AC. These two equal, that means LHS sin 90 minus A is equal to what? Cos A. That formula I have to observe. See. 1 BC by AC, BC by AC. 2 AB by BC, AB by BC. Third one, AC by AB, AC by AB. 4 AC by BC, AC by BC. 5 6. Okay children, so RHS of 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6 equal. So RHS equal, automatically LHS also equal. That will conclude here. Same. From this what I am writing? 1. Sin 90 minus A is equal to same. From 1 LHS sin 90 minus A. From 1 LHS what? Cos A. See, from 1 sin 90 minus A, 1 cos A. Second, cos 90 minus A, 2 sin A. 3 tan 90 minus A, 3 cot A. 4 cosecant 90 minus A. Fourth variable secant A. Fifth secant 90 minus A cosecant A. Sixth cot 90 minus A tan A. Simple. Sin 90 minus A cos A, cos 90 minus A sin A, tan 90 minus A cot A, cosecant 90 minus A secant A, secant 90 minus A cosecant A, cot 90 minus A tan A. Okay, so next exercise completely depend on this 6 formulas only. So how you get means this one from A observe, this one from 90 minus A observe means a list of ratios we got it. Observe means RHS of 1 and RHS of 1 equal 2 and 2, like that RHS are equal we got, that's why LHS equal. From that only conclusion we got these 6 formulas. Okay, have a look this one. 6 ratios dependent problems we'll discuss now only. Observe. This one again I'll write now. Sin 90 minus A. A or theta, so you can take sin 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cosec 90 minus theta, secant theta, secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Now, example 9. Example 9, page number 189. Same. Evaluate tan 65 by cot 25. Tan 65 by cot 25. See, from table only we derived that about 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. But these two values we don't know. Observe that 60, 20, 80, 85, 90. when these two angles added means you are getting 90, these all formulas depend on this only. So, like this fraction is there, only you change either numerator or denominator. Now I am changing numerator, equals to tan 65 is there, I am writing 90 minus 25 by cot 25. See, 90 minus 25, 65. Now see, tan 90 minus theta. This one what? Theta. Tan 90 minus theta. See, tan 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cot theta. Means cot theta what here? 25. 25 by cot 25, that is equal to 1. So, without knowing the values of 65 degrees and 20 degrees, by using this formula, we can get answer like this. Okay. Now, example 10. Sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26. Cos a minus 26 degrees. See, left hand side sin is there, right hand side cos is there. So, to get this also cos, same cos 90 minus theta is equal to what? Sin theta. For you sin theta is there, you can convert like this cos 90 minus theta. See, for you sin 3a is there. So, left hand side formula I am writing sin theta. This one what? Sin theta means cos 90 minus theta. See, sin theta means what? Cos 90 minus theta. This is a cos a minus 26. Now both sides cos just remove, don't cancel like that. 90 minus 3a is equal to a minus 26. This 26 transfer LHS side, 3a transfer that side. 90 plus 26 is equal to a plus 3a. Here 90 plus 26, 116 is equal to 4a. From this, a is equal to 116 by 4. 2 times 8, 3 left, 36. 36 by 4, 9. So, a is equal to what? 29 degrees. A is equal to what? 29 degrees. Okay. So, see, here, sin 3a is there, means what? Sin theta is there. Its left hand side what is there? Cos 90 minus theta. So, cos 90 minus, this is theta I am taking 3a. That is it here. Okay. Same one more problem in this only. Example 11. X plus cot 85 plus cos 75. Cot 85 plus cos 75. Trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 to 45. This one 85, this one 75 is there, but is asking in between 0 to 45. Suppose with you 100 rupees is there, but don't use more than 50 number and say what amount you are having. Are you understood? Example, you are having 100 rupees. Don't use the number more than 50. Express your amount means you are saying I am having 2 into 50 rupees. Means 100 only, na? So 50 means what? Not more than 50. Like that, value must be same how much you are getting that, but you should express in between 0 to 45. So simple example, cot 85 is there, I am writing 90 minus 5 degrees. See, 90 minus 5, 85. Similarly, cos 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 means 75. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to what? Tan theta. So, tan 5 degrees. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, sin 15 degrees. So, tan 5 plus sin 15 add means how much you will get? It is equal to cot 85 plus cos 75. So, what is the formula used here? That you write middle between these two steps and keep in box. Okay, then only problem easy to understand. Already I listed these formulas here. That's why I am directly using from table. When we are doing a particular problem, that formula related formula should write in problem only. Okay, nice. We will discuss exercise problems now. Same exercise 8.3. First problem. Sin 18 by cos 72. Sin 18 by cos 72. So one only change. Sin 18 means 90 minus 72 by cos 72. See, sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, cos, here theta means what? 72. Cos 72 by cos 72 is equal to what? 1. Second one, tan 26 by cot 64. I am saying either numerator or denominator, any one you change. This time I am changing only denominator. Cot 90 minus 26. Tan 26 by cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Tan 26 is equal to 1. So numerator change also no problem, denominator change also no problem. Third one. Cos 48 minus sin 42. Cos 48 minus sin 42. Like these two terms are there, any one term change. See, equals to cos 90 minus 42 minus sin 42. See, 90 minus 42 how much means? Equals to 48. Remaining same I kept. Now, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. This is theta now. So, sin 42 degrees minus sin 42 degrees is equal to 0. Fourth one, cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. This also cosec 90 minus 51 minus sec 59. Same of cosec 90 minus theta, sec theta. So secant of 51 minus secant of, here what, 59 have to take. 90 minus 59 means 31 you will get. That's here what you will get, 59 minus secant of 59. So sec 59 minus sec 59 is equal to what? 0. So like that only one term change means easy to get answers. Now, second Roman, show that, ST means what? Show that tan 48, tan 23, first question, tan 48, tan 23 minus into tan 42 tan 67 is equal to 1. So, like these four terms are there, make it into groups. Which two add means 90 will get that two one group. 48, 42, 90. That is one group. These two one group. So what I am saying, tan 48 into tan 42 one group. Next, tan 23 tan 67. Now in these two, one you change. Tan 48 into tan 90 minus 48. Here, tan 23 into tan 90 minus 67. So tan 48 same. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta means what? Cot 48. Tan 23, cot 62. So tan 48, cot means what? Reciprocal of tan means 1 by tan 48. Here also tan 23, cot reciprocal of tan 1 by tan 23. Before onwards we are saying sin cos tan completion after cot you want means reciprocal of tan. Like that tan you want means reciprocal of cot. So these two cancel here, these two cancel, totally 1. Children understand that tan theta means what? 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. This is first Roman in second. Same. Tan means what? 1 by cot. Cot means 1 by tan. Now, in this second sum, cos 38, cos 52, cos 38, cos 52 minus sin 38, sin 52. Sin 38, sin 52 degrees is equal to 0. That you have to prove. Now, this is one term, this is one term. Any one you change. This I am changing. How I am changing? See, cos 38, 90 minus 52. Again this one. Cos 90 minus 38 minus sin 38 sin 52. Same. Same one. 90 minus 52, 38. 90 minus 38, 52. See, cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. So, sin 52, again sin 38 minus sin 38, sin 52. Same terms. That's the answer what? 0. Then this formula will apply repeatedly. Third sum. Tan 2a is equal to tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Cot a minus 18. Find the value of a. So one side tan is there, one side cot is there. This one leave like this only. Cot a minus 18. See tan. Tan theta means what? Cot 90 minus theta. So this is theta, observe. What I am writing? Tan theta is there means cot 90 minus theta. That's all. What is there for us? Tan theta. See, tan theta. Tan theta means what? Cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus, here theta means what? 2a. Then both sides cot remove. 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. This 18, left hand side, 2a RHS side. 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. 3a is equal to 108. A is equal to 108 by 3. 3 3 is 9, 80, 6 times. So A is equal to what? 36 degrees. All degrees only. Okay, ma. Already this example problem also completed like the same model. Fourth one. Tan A is equal to cot B. What given for us? Tan A is equal to cot B. Prove that A plus B is equal to 90. PT means what? Prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Same. Tan A given. Tan A given. What you can write? Cot 90 minus theta. See, tan means what? Cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. Both sides cot remove. 90 minus A is equal to B. A transfer that side. 90 is equal to B plus A. Therefore, what we proved? A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Same this formula soon I am using. Fifth one. Secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20. Find the value of a. Before problem type only. See. Secant 4a. Secant theta. Secant theta means what? Cosecant 90 minus theta. So for you secant theta is there, you can write cosecant 90 minus theta. Right here, cosecant, this is theta. This one what? Theta. Cosecant 90 minus 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20. Both sides cosecant remove means 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. 20 transfer this side. 90 plus 20 is equal to a plus 4a. 5a is equal to 110. A is equal to 110 by 5. So 2 5 is 10. Again 10 is there. 2 5 is 10. A is equal to what? 22 degrees. Okay. Sixth, most important problem, this one. ABC are interior angles of a triangle. ABC are angles of triangle. That means what? A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Interior angles given means what? Sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees given. Show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Very most important sum, so many times asked in exams. Okay. So what given for us? A plus B plus C is equal to 180 given. They are asking sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. This you consider again here. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. We want B plus C. B plus C leave here. 180 minus A transfer that side. By 2 also required. So B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 minus A by 2. That means 180 by 2 minus A by 2. 180 by 2 means what? 90 minus A by 2. So children, what we got? B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2, we got it. Now consider LHS. Sin of B plus C by 2. Sin B plus C by 2 means what? B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Same sin 90 minus theta. Formula cos theta. So cos of A by 2. This is RHS. Simple problem and most important problem. What given? Interior angles given. Means all the three angles add means 180 you will get. That only taken. Required for us B plus C by 2. That's why B plus C leave here. A transfer this side. By 2 also required. By 2. This by 2. Separate 2 for this, for this. 180 by 2, 90. Minus A by 2. Similar seventh problem. X plus sin 67 plus cos 75. Sin 67 plus cos 75. In terms of the trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 to 45. Before I said, without 100 rupees is there, without using more than 50 number, you should say your amount means what I said, 2 times of 50 is there. Like that only, this value without changing, angles have to reduce. So sin 90 minus 67 means what you take? 23 take, 67, 70, 90. Plus cos 90 minus 15. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. So cos 23 degrees plus cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, sine 15 degrees. So this value and this value are equal. But here in terms of 67, 75 is there. Our value is 23, 15 means between 0 to 45 degrees. That only they ask. Okay children, thank you for watching. If you like, share and subscribe my channel who are watching first time. Thank you so much.